Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to copy the shareable link of any folder using the OneDrive app on your Android phone. This is useful when you want to send files or folders to others without downloading. Let's go through the full process. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Once the app is open, next navigate to the My Files section. Then, browse through your folders and find the one you want to share. After that, tap the three dots icon located next to the folder's name. Now, from the menu that appears, tap on Share. Finally, tap on Copy Link. OneDrive will generate a shareable link and copy it to your clipboard automatically. You can now paste it anywhere: email, message, or social media. And that's how you copy a folder link from the OneDrive app on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech guides.